All right, let's go over the winners and losers from Fed Day. Fed decides to no longer raise interest rates for the entire rest of the year. Surprised Wall Street, more dovish. Some expected one rate hike. The Fed sheet balance, the taper will end in September. So dovish news. The market likes dovish news. They like Fed stimulus, addicted to this stimulus of the Fed and low interest rates. So market was initially very happy. Then it mean reverted. And so typical Fed day, very choppy. Our trend strategies lost on the day. Cobra 3, E-mini S&P, Cobra 3, E-mini NASDAQ were down. But SR counter trend 2 both hit their profit targets on the ES and the E-mini NASDAQ. You see the trades here. So so the $600 stop loss was hit in the ES on Cobra 3, while the $800 profit target was hit on SR counter trend 2 on both of these. And so between these four strategies, it was net profitable. Tick count trend 2, counter trend strategy, it was profitable. So the trend strategies were losers and the counter trends were profitable. And so you see tick count trend 2. It always takes trades that I have a hard time taking, and I always see these trades and I think, well, that's a terrible trade. What's it doing? And it's better than me. This strategy is better than me. I like tick count trend 2. It's a counter trend strategy, and it did well on the day. Adaptive moving average trend strategy. It's been on a streak, but yesterday and today it got chopped up a bit today. I'm going to look at maybe limiting this to one trade per day. I don't like these long, short, long, where you lose on 3 trades in one day, and so I want to see the effects of just limiting it to one trade per day and see if that hurts the performance or helps it, and then come back on that. It's a new strategy, and it's really done well actually since the beginning of the year. But today, Fed Day was not a good day to be trading trend strategies that trade actively. Tick Pulse, we've re-released that too. It was no exception. It got short and then it got long, and so it was stopped out. The trade of the day though was Cobra Euro 4. I stayed on the sidelines most of the day. And so I didn't trade much between these strategies. It was around break even. If you traded the strategies in the 200K portfolio and the bonuses, it was around break even. And so soybeans took a profit on soybean swing short, small profit there. Asia Gold is short tonight, and so we'll see how that works. All the markets rallied today, really. Initially on the news, we see that sometimes the Fed releases a statement, the dollar's down and everything else is up. So that's the Fed day, choppy as you might expect, and take a look at counter trend strategies on Fed day, and that's what worked this time. And so we'll see going forward. Sometimes trend strategies work best, but today it was the counter trend strategies that did the best on Fed day.